Hi guys, welcome to another video. And in this video, trust me, if you have been battling with oily skin, pimples, black spots for the longest time, you're in the right place. I understand your frustration and I know how you feel, and I'm here to give you like a long-term solution. you know I have previous videos on how to clear black spots using carotene black spots corrector, but in my use of that, to be honest, I realized that the moment you stop using the black spots corrector, it kind of lets you go back to okay, first of all, when you use fast action creams or highly concentrated creams like that, it works by rapidly lightening up your skin, even the areas that have black spots and the areas that don't. It lightens it up at a very fast rate, and then it gives this impression of you bleaching. Sometimes you end up having a very light face depending on the area you're trying to clear the pimples. You end up having if you're trying to clear pimples on your face, for example, you end up having a very light face and probably a chocolatey to dark neck. And this is 2024. We are not doing that anymore. We don't roll like that anymore. So I'm here to bring you tips on how to, effectively get rid of black spots without having to use harsh products, without having to use products that when you stop using them, you're back to default settings and it might even worsen your situation. But first things first, we have to lay the ground rules. You have to be consistent. I know you've probably heard this like a gazillion times. Consistency is key. Consistency is key. It is true. There is no iota of lies in it. You have to find a routine that works for you, find products that work for you, and be consistent with them. Trust me. I personally have always been a kind of person that I just want to use the product and get on with my life and not have to bother about using any other thing. But I had to learn the hard way, the very hard way. It doesn't work like that in real life. It's just like saying you don't want to have your bath every day because you don't want to be stuck with having your bath every day. Do you understand my flow? So it is the same thing with your skincare routine. If you are looking to have consistently flawless, glowing skin, although perfection is in the eye of the beholder, someone's glass skin might be hereditary and your oily skin is hereditary, like large pores and all, but perfection is what it means to every individual. For me, perfection is not glass skin, it's not flawless skin. Perfection is healthy skin for me. Skin that I know that it is flourishing, thriving, well moisturized and balanced. Do you understand? So I have mentioned that consistency is key. You have to find the right products that suit your skin type, because there are a lot of videos online that will tell you, oh, I use this product or and I use that product, but they are only saying that relative to their skin type. So that's why I started with the fact that if you have large pores, oily skin, acne prone skin, or maybe even combination skin that some particular T-zone areas are normally oily, then this series is for you. So I'll be doing a couple of videos where I will be guiding you on how to curate a skincare routine, how to pick products, how to pick the right products to use for your skin based on your skin type. And I'll be providing tips on how to keep yourself motivated and staying true to your routine, because eventually if you start using products or if you create a routine and you don't stick to it, you might not see the results, because most of the times some of these fast action creams and lotions and products usually give results in 7 days, 5 days, 2 weeks. And if if you have been through a very rigorous journey of discovery, like I have been, you might have gotten used to the fact that when you use a particular product within 7 days or 2 weeks, you're already seeing lighter skin, fading black spots, and all of that. So you might have gotten used to the fact that, okay, I should start seeing results in a week, I should start seeing results in 2 weeks. So I'm here to give you a large disclaimer. No, if that is what you're expecting, please, this video is not for you. But if you are going to be patient enough to stick with a routine, to stick with a product for 2 months, 3 months, 5 months before you start seeing actual results, then keep watching this video. So in my next video, I'll be discussing how to create a routine, and in the following video I'll be telling you the products I have used, or I have been using rather,